Alright, guys, we are finally back in the action, bro. Epic Giant Stadium series, bro. We're finally back into it, you guys. It's been a little bit. But anyways, I don't have that much time outside, so I'm just gonna maximize the 2 points. But anyways, so yeah, so we got Blizzard, Thrasher, Ominous Crisis, and Lucifer, the end. So let's go. Alright. I'm getting into it because I don't have that much time outside and it's getting a little late. So, yeah. So let's just do this. All right, boom. And Blizzard. All right. All of them's in there. Blizzard. Yeah, so first the 2 points. We're going to see who's going to take it. And Blizzard does take it. All right, that's 1. All right, so first the 2 points. All right, boom. And boom. Final limit breaker. Ominous killer. Alright, so cool. So Ominous is out. You know what? Why not? Fuck it. Why not? Fuck it. We'll go to 3 points. We'll go to 3 points. And it seems like Blizzard's in the lead. So it seems like Blizzard is in the lead with the score of 3. Wow. Alright. Alright, boom. Boom. And boom. Alright, here we go. Alright, so I'll go to first to 3. Uh-oh. Bro, Lucifer is stuck. Dang, bro, Lucifer is stuck. It's going to come down, and Blizzard does take it. So Blizzard gets first place, and now we're going to have a battle between these two to get second and first. Alright. Boom. And boom. Oh, my God. Ominous, what are you doing, huh? What are you doing, bro? And also, I will show you guys the sunset before I leave. And who's got it? This battle will go first to 2 points. And let's see here. Lucifer the end takes it. You know what? Fuck it. Well, alright. I'm sorry if I'm cursing a lot. But Lucifer does get second place. Ominous Crisis gets last place. And first place goes to Thrasher. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy. Sorry if this was a short battle. It's getting really, really late, and I really, really wanted to put this out today. So here you go. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy. If you did, make sure to smash comment down below. Let me know if you subscribe to Epic Concept. Dave should read that battle. Caption like that video. Yes, Giant Stadium battles are back for the YouTube fans. So definitely love me. But anyways, take time, stay awesome, and go shoot. Let it rip or Bakugan, bro. Before I go, I'm gonna show y'all the sunset. Before I go, I'm going to show y'all the sunset. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's something there. And that is a sunset. Damn, I haven't seen a sunset in years, bruh. Especially when I started virtual school last year. Bro, this makes me good again.